So I made D199 for Revolutions. So obviously this was the first custom for the Diesel 10 chassis, and it is as the Diesel 10 chassis works on the shell. So you just squeeze the sides and fits in perfectly. That's the perfect size for the Diesel 10 chassis. Now, so talking about these revolutions, it's a little short, not too much. See the difference right there? A little short. I did not want it to look so, too long. And I added a coupler in the back. It's a built-in coupler, so we don't have to worry about the coupler on the motorized chassis. One very important thing about the motorized chassis from Trackmaster Revolutions, I know this is not the color I should use. It's just for demo purposes. You can either paint black those wheels. Not everybody has black wheels for Trackmaster Revolutions. I mean, I think there are few engines that come with black wheels, like a James or others or such. Um, Okay, here is how it looks underneath. One thing that needs to be done is squeeze these rods. So I use this clamp to achieve that, or you can use a hammer and hammer the end of the rods here, but just to make sure it's not too tight so the wheels spins. Yeah, not everybody has access to a diesel 10 motorized chassis, so this is a good sample for Revolutions, how it looks. And that's the lever, the switch lever for the Trackmaster Revolutions, right there. Perfect fit. Let me know what you think about this. This is the custom D199 for Revolutions, and for the Diesel 10 chassis. It's the Tomy chassis, not the Mattel, the Tomy. Looking good.